so good. I bet you'll never guess who I got a package from. The package came from T3, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Let's take a look at what Techno Toy Tuning sent over. This is the drill bit and the outer tie rod kit. Oh, there we go. We got some boots. Oh, and here's the piece that I've been waiting for so long. Ooh, the tie rod ends. And here they are, the tie rod ends from T3. Well worth the wait. Well worth the wait. Man, they're so nice and so beefy. Wow, wow. Well, I'm genuinely excited. But now, let's get those control arms out and swap out the bushings. The control arm bushings. These are the control arm bushings that were in the car already, so these are already upgraded, and these are made by Whiteline. The front control arm bushing is composed of 2 pieces, and the rear control arm bushing is made of 1 big chunky piece. One of the Whiteline bushings straight cracked, the other one is still okay, but here are the replacement bushings that I'm putting in. These are made by Super Pro. Initial quality is quite nice, and this is pretty cool. The Super Pro bushings are made in Australia. They are firmer, quite a bit firmer, so this one I can take and bend. This one, I cannot bend. I have to say, these bushings look really promising. With a Super Pro bushing, since it's 1 piece, it means it's gonna have to get jammed through this tiny hole. But with lube, anything is possible. Ew. Ew. Just cram it in, there it is. Oh, yeah. Hey-yo! That's a pretty tight fit. So far the fit is perfect. The front ones weren't too big a deal to put in, but now since I got all this stuff apart, the next thing I'm gonna do is replace this axle. This is the one that has a little bit of looseness to it as well. Oh, there it is. Here's the axle that I just took out, and you're not gonna believe it. This thing has play in it as well. Oh, I can feel it. It goes dink, 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 dink. Luckily, the new axle is nice and tight. Now let's work on the steering rack. So here I am a week later, and I ended up ordering 4 sets of inner tie rods because I wanted to get the best one that I could. So let's go through all these. This is the OEM Toyota. This is the AutoZone Duralast. This is the Moog. And this is an unknown Taiwanese one. Between all 4 of them, I'm going to install the original Toyota one just because I was able to get my hands on it. But if I had to pick between these 3, I would definitely go with the Moog. It's the only one that's made in Japan, and it looks by far the beefiest of these 3 options. Alright then, let's get this one installed. The original Toyota ones feel really good. They're nice and tight and have no play in them. So here it is, all assembled. New boots, new inner tie rods. Oh wait, I wanted to show you the quick ratio. So let's go to 1 full lock over here until it stops. Okay, there it is. So there's the starting point. 1, 2, boom. Just a hair over 2.5 turns lock to lock. That's the whole point of me doing this steering ratio upgrade. Now all we have to do is just put it in the car. Right out there. Now I'm gonna drill out the hubs to make room for the bigger bolts that are gonna go into the hubs. So let's get some drilling going. Ooh, that's hard. Now I'm going to put the air filter and the wheels back on and take it for a quick drive. feels so good. What can I say? It feels absolutely great. But next, we gotta take it back to Steve to have a proper alignment. I'm back at the alignment shop to get the Corolla aligned. And to also have Steve take a look at the upgrades and see what he thinks of them. I also gave the Corolla a wash, so it's looking mighty fresh. Oh dang, I think Steve forgot how to do reverse. Steve, did you forget reverse?
Yes, I did.
Ay, ay, ay. Over to the left and forward. Steve, I can't wait for you to see the bottom of my car.
Let's see what you broke.
I probably did break something. I did that thing that you're not supposed to do, which is lots of things.
Oops.
Which means that if something is broken, you don't know which of the things it is. Well, what are your initial impressions so far?
Good, so far. You took a lot of the flex out of it. It should respond totally differently now. Now you may have to relearn to drive.
Steve's fancy alignment machine.
Oh boy.
Hey Steve, I gotta ask, does this smell like a Toyota in there?
Yeah.
There's the before, there's the after. Thank you, Steve. Super duper appreciate your time, your knowledge, and your effort. Now that the car is aligned, I'm gonna take it out and see how it does. Oh my God, it's so good. Look at this. The steering is so immediate now. I can feel everything that the front wheels are doing. Oh my God! Oh wow, the sound. God, this car has turned into something magic. It's so nimble. Oh wow. The steering upgrade for the Corolla has been absolutely amazing. The steering feel is so tight and immediate. You can feel everything that the front wheels are doing. I can honestly say the Corolla is driving the best it's ever has right now. I really hope Techno Toy Tuning makes these tie rod ends available to other people so they can do the same upgrade for their Corollas. If you enjoyed watching this content, check out some of my other videos and of course do that YouTube thing of subscribing and liking. It really helps support the channel. And until next time, thanks for watching. Oh, and leave a comment on what you think I should do next to turn this Corolla into the ultimate Touge Monster. To celebrate the successful steering upgrade for the Corolla, I decided that I should get a new wheel to be the cherry on top. So this is gonna go on just like this. Ooh, that's gonna look so good. And a quick thank you to Colin for sending me this boss kit for the AE82. These are a little hard to find and he had an extra one, which was awesome. The new steering wheel is in, and it's really nice. And something else that's interesting is that the factory wheel, while it's cool and retro, it is really heavy, like twice as heavy than this Momo one is. So I'm kind of excited to try it out, but there's one more thing that I have to do. That is, of course, putting on a sticker. I think this looks pretty cool, huh? Let's put the sticker here. Oh, you can't even see it. Whoops. I got something special for my super fans that watch the whole video. I got these super awesome stickers made of the Corolla. They're super high quality, they look really nice, and you can stick them on anything. A big thank you to Push to Start Design for making them for me. You can reach out to Push to Start on Instagram as well. She makes a bunch of cool stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna give 25 of these away, so make sure to follow me on Instagram for your chance to get one.